All right, guys, me, Blaine again, and I'm back. And today I have from Best EV Mod, I have some mud flaps. Now, I've already got a set of mud flaps on my car, but my buddy John behind the camera there, he's got the same exact Tesla Model Y Juniper 2026 model that I have. Same color, same everything, identical. They're twins. Anyways, so I'm going to install these on his car today. So let's take a look at them and see how they go. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and open these up and see what's in here. Whoa! All right, first thing we got here is looks like some instructions, blah, blah, blah. We don't need instructions, do we? Because we're going to use this video, so get rid of this. Okay, I've already taken them out of the packages here. They do come wrapped up in plastic. They do have the letters on there to tell you which is which, but this is going to be the rear one right here, and this is going to be for the front. Very strong. I like the way they feel. You got a very good strong material, good plastic here. See, they got the bolts and the holes already for me. These ones you're going to have to put a metal clip in there, which I can show you what that looks like. Here's some attach points or attachments. We got brand new little clips, the pin clips or whatever. You push them in, you push that in, and it locks them into place. Here is the metal clip that we have right here. These metal clips will end up going installed right like that. They go in there, something like that. Anyways, we'll do that here in a minute. They do give you a 10mm wrench here, or socket wrench, whatever you want to call it. It's all built into one here. All right, and it looks like they also give you a nice little tool here. I do like these metal little pry bars here. You can use these for multiple things. So whatever you do, make sure you save this, because you can use this throughout different applications throughout your car. It makes it really easy to get in here to remove these. You slide them in here like this. You put it in a little groove right there or something. You pry up and then pull them out, and then you can take them straight out. So that's what this is for. This is for taking off our the clips on our car, the original clips. We remove them. We're going to reuse these ones here. Put them in like that, and then you push them in the rest of the way right there. So anyways, shouldn't take us very long. Let's go out there and knock this out. Okay, so right now I'm going to start on the rear right mud flap. All right, so anyways, what I'm going to have to do is, first thing I want to do is, you see these two little clips right here? I'm going to remove both of these, and then I'm going to take this, and it's going to go on there just like that, is where it's going to go and line up. Okay, first thing I got to do is I got to put in this metal clip. Okay, so before I put that clip all the way in, I need to make sure I go ahead and take this bolt out from underneath right here. And I'm going to use that little socket thing they gave me, like this. I'm going to reuse this. So one thing I did notice that I was doing a little bit wrong here is I thought the clip was going on a little bit different. Is you put the clip onto your mud flap here, and you'll see that there is a curved part. So the curved part goes on this side here, and then the flat part is on the inside. And really all it's doing is giving it a little bit more area for this little piece right here to clip on right here onto your wheel well here, like that. So that's all that's trying to do. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to put this in here. I'm going to line up that little groove right here, and it's going to clip behind it. There we go. Kind of feel it. Matching everything up. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my new little clip here, line it up with the hole, push it in, push the flat in, hit, clip. Do my little, like that. Then I'm going to put this new bolt back on underneath, or the original bolt. All right, here it is installed. It's got a pretty nice little fit to it, all the way around. And install it inside, all the way down. Does not, doesn't look too bad. All right, let's do the rest. Okay, so what's going to happen here on the front ones now, same exact process except for they don't have a bolt underneath. So he's just removing the 2 original pins. I got the metal clip in here. That's going to clip, that's going to go right here in that groove. And you put it right in. Let's get started. All right, got them installed. All right, doing the last one here. Now, you see right here, this says FL. That should mean front left. I'm on the front right. They labeled this one wrong, but it's still the right one. It's still the right side and everything. But yeah, it's not the right, it's labeled wrong. It's okay. It'll still work. I do see a little bit of a gap right here, but you know what? It's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. It's on there pretty strong. These things are built like this. Here's my buddy Charlie. I know, buddy. What's going on? Everything okay? All right. So anyways, you can see the mud flaps don't stick out in the back too far. Not up the front. Let's take a look at them real quick. There may be a little gap right there, but like I said, it doesn't bother me at all. There you go. These things are from Best EV Mod. Pretty simple installation. Went on really no issues at all. You just got to take the old clips out, put it back on, put the new clips in, and you have it. And now you got a full set of mud flaps on your car to help keep it a little bit cleaner. So hey, if this is something you're interested in, click the link down below to take it straight to the link to where they have it. If you haven't done so already, like my channel, subscribe to it. And most of all, guys, have fun out there, be safe, and keep driving. Check you later.